Welcome back to Mike's Man Cave and welcome back to another detailing product review. Today we will be looking at the Naturally Black Trim and Plastic Restorer. I have already done a video on the Bowden's Own plastic or vinyl revival, which was absolutely useless and a complete waste of money if you want to restore any sort of plastic or vinyl. You might as well just pour water on it. It's absolutely useless. But I've got a whole video about that and I'll link that video down below for you just in case you're interested. So now I've gone out and I bought Mother's Naturally Black Vinyl and Plastic Restorer. Also got some of these trim panels. I'm actually getting rid of these. I'm actually selling these. They're out of an XA XB Falcon and they're the lower kick trim panels. And you can see they are quite rough, but these are about 50 years old, 50 years. 50, not 15. And here's the other side. This is the passenger side footwell and that is the driver's side footwell. So we'll see if we can bring those back to life. If it restores these, it'll be worth every cent that I've paid for it. I'll put the price up there for you just in case because I can't remember it now. I think it was about $20, $30 or something. I've also got a second set here and these are supposed to be black. These are actually for my XB two-door Falcon. I'll be using these and keeping these, so I'm going to try and restore them as well. You can see the back here gives you a little bit of a better indication of what the colour's supposed to be like. These are actually factory black kick panels. And these are original parts, and again they were made from about 1972 to about 1976, so they're around the 50 years old now. So let's see how well this stuff works. So we will be following the instructions on how to use this. Now that looks about 100 times better already. We'll let that penetrate for a while and then we'll give it a buff as per the instructions. While we let that penetrate, we'll do one of the brown ones. So we'll let this penetrate as well and then we'll come back and buff it and we'll do a before and after. It's been about 10 minutes, let's give it a bit of a buff up as per the instructions. And the black one the same. Okay, now that looked pretty promising. Let's have a look at the before and after. Here's the before of the brown kick panel, and here's the after of the brown kick panel. Try and put them next to each other. Before, after. That's amazing. Let's have a look at the black one. This is what the black one looked like beforehand, and here's the after. We just followed the instruction. It literally took 2 minutes to do each panel. And you just let it sit for about 5-10 minutes and then you buff it off. Now, you could repeat the treatment, I guess. You could probably do this again. And honestly, I think you might even be able to get better results if you rub the stuff on and you left it out in the sun for 15 minutes or 10 minutes and then give it a buff. Here they are next to each other. There's the before and here's the after. Before, after. Huge difference, huge difference. Let's have the ultimate test. Let's go outside and use this on the front bumper bar of my van. Here we are, we're now outside. We're going to try it on the front bumper bar of the van. Let's have a quick look at what it looks like before. And mind you, this has already been treated with the Bowden's Own vinyl revival. There's been no reviving going on there. Very white, faded black. Let's see if we can fix that up. Not 100% sure anything can save this bumper bar. We'll just do part of it, just so we've got a comparison of the before and after. Now that does look better, but it hasn't fixed all the white patches, so let's leave this for about 10 minutes and we'll come back. Now this has been in the sun for a good 20 minutes now, so, oh, a bit sticky. Let's give it a buff off and see. Now here we are, that's after we've done it, and this is the before. Look, it's not perfect, but looking at this compared to the other side, it is a lot better. You still see those white marks, but I think it has made a big difference, and maybe with repeated applications it'll keep getting better and better. Overall, it's not that great, but maybe there's just no saving this bumper bar. Okay, what do I think? Well, look, it's better than any other product that I've tried so far, and it did not bring the bumper bar in my work van back to new. There's still some white marks, but look, maybe there's just no saving that bumper bar. Maybe it's too far gone. And maybe if I do repeated applications, like use this stuff maybe once a week, every week, and that might nourish the plastic and bring it back up to where it used to be, or close to where it used to be. But look, it definitely looks a lot better than what it did before. And looking at these 50-year-old trim panels, it really does seem to do a good job. And this is a credit to this product. It works really well. I'm pretty happy with it. Bit disappointed in my van, but it is what it is. I'll definitely be keeping this stuff on my detailing trolley or detailing shelf, and I will keep using it, and hopefully it'll bring that plastic bumper bar back to original or close to original one of these days. Now, if you have any questions about anything you saw in today's video, leave your question down below and I'll try and answer it to the best of my ability. In the meantime, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give me a big thumbs up, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button for more videos from Mike's Man Cave. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.